Welcome back to FasTrax Cars. I'm Kevin Matlo, and I got Brendan here with an absolutely stunning 1928 Ford Hot Rod. Brendan, welcome to my show.
Oh, thank you.
Tell me a bit about your car and why you have this one.
Oh, this car, a 28 Roadster Highboy.
Mm-hmm.
It's got a 59 AB flathead engine in it, which was produced between 46 and 48. Mm-hmm. The grille and headlights are 32. The tranny and the rear end's got a banjo rear end out of a 46 Ford truck.
Okay, yeah.
So she's all Ford, front end to back end.
Perfect.
The gentleman who built this car, I did not build it. I bought it off a gentleman in BC. Did quite a job. The seats are actually manufactured out of 1930s theater seats.
Oh, wow.
And they're heated, which I don't think was an option in 1928.
I wouldn't think so.
So I'm pretty sure I'm the only guy rolling around here with a 28 with heated seats.
Heated seats,
yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, the Eddie Meyer heads and intake on the engine were period correct aftermarket speed equipment that a guy in Portland, he was a dirt track racer, used to use. So it's kind of got some old racing heritage from the time. So
good.
Yeah.
Sporting?
Yeah.
Sporting for what the car is, that's right.
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely.
Let's talk about the build. You didn't do the build, but what do you know about the build and why things were chosen the way they were?
The build is about 8 years old. The guy who built it, he bought the car from a friend of his that was originally started the build in Portland. Mm-hmm. He was getting a little long in the tooth, couldn't finish it, sold it to the guy I bought it from.
Yeah.
He finished it in his first friend's kind of image and then decided to tear it down and build it in his image. So he built the car to emulate, if you had the money in the 1950s, this is what you would build. This is kind of a dream build. Yeah, if you had the money.
So it's been built twice, really?
It's been built twice, yeah.
Fantastic. And obviously side pipe type exhaust.
Yeah, it's got the lake style headers with caps. I've never taken the caps off. I don't have turnaways. I don't want to melt the paint, but
of course.
One day I will.
Yeah. So it's running down and back out the back, is it? Or
yeah, right out the back. And for a flathead, she does run nice and quiet. Cherry bombs exhaust, but she runs quite quiet.
That's good though. Yeah, it's enjoyable.
It's enjoyable. It's a very nice car on the highway. She just cruises along, 60, 70 miles an hour. Holds her line. You can take your hands off the steering wheel.
Perfect.
Yeah. Absolute fun.
And it's automatic transmission?
Nope.
No standard?
No, it's a 3-speed.
3-speed? Okay.
Yeah. Well, it's synchroed second, does not have synchroed first, but these old flatheads have a lot of lugs, so even if you can start off in second if you have to. Yeah.
You can roll it out.
Shows up, pop, 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 and away she goes.
Get a few pops, roll it out, and then get on it.
Yeah.
And suspension on it, you've got
it's kind
hairpin suspension in the front.
Yeah. Yes. A solid beam front axle. Old hot rod.
Yeah.
Yeah. So she bounces a little on the back, but. It's a small car, and that's the way they work.
They're light, too. I mean, this car in the hub, it's only, about 3,000 pounds, 2,900 pounds?
Yeah, if that, I would say you're in there. And she's probably pushing only maybe 130, 140 horsepower. I'm not really sure.
Yeah.
It's got a Max 1 cam on it. It has been bored over a little bit, but all mild.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's more just for cruising. And like I say, I could jump in this and drive to Calgary and still just no problem.
And no problems at all.
Yeah.
And still springs in the back?
Yes.
Yep. Which is great. And the rubber, nice white sidewalls. Can't be easy to find. People just saying you can find them online. Is it getting easier to find those?
I
know at one point it was pretty tough.
Have them, so you can find them, but like anything, you gotta have a deep pocketbook
and know where to find them and search for them. But they look wonderful.
Yeah, it really sets the car off. I think anything else, I think, would be
red rims with the white sidewall, red interior, and a black car. It looks fantastic.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I think so. It's a very pretty car. It garners a lot of attention and
Yeah.
a lot of compliments.
Absolutely, absolutely. All right. Thank you so much for being on my channel. I do appreciate your time.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate the interest.
Thank you.
If you're an automotive enthusiast like we are, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you're alerted when new videos go live.